Alright everyone, welcome back to Notebook November. This is episode 51. And today we're going to review on another Steve handcrafted notebook. And that is the Handcrafted Nature Notebook. So here it is. This is the updated version because it's double-sided and has brown pages like in the episode. So yeah, it has the brown spiral and nothing on the back. And the crown, the wooden crown, but in the episode it looked like a pencil. Sorry. But if you wonder what it sounds like this. Sorry about that. But yeah, that's all on this episode of Notebook November. I'll see you guys next time.